Student, this is our second way to rectify errors. When separate adjustment entries for each error and omission are passed. In this case, in place of a single adjustment entry, separate journal entries are passed for each error or omission. Students, we will not pass here single adjustment entry. We will pass separate journal entries for each error or omission. In this situation, analyticable table to find out net effect of all the adjustment is not prepared. Instead, separate journal entries are passed for each error or omission by debiting or crediting profit and loss adjustment account. Students, in this way, we will not make table showing adjustment. We will make here our profit and loss adjustment by debiting or crediting, and we will pass separate journal entries for each error. After passing all the adjustment entries, profit and loss adjustment account is closed by debiting or crediting the partner's capital or current account. Now students, come to our example. The capital account of Amar and Harsh stood at rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively after the necessary adjustment in respect of drawing and net profit for the year ended 31st March 2017. It was subsequently ascertained that interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum was not taken into account while arriving at the divisible profit for the year. Student, we not charge here interest on capital while we arriving at our divisible profit. During the year 1617, Amar had withdrawn 20,000 and Harsh drawings were rupees 10,000. This is their drawing. The net profit for the year amounted to rupees 1,50,000. The partners shared profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. This is their profit sharing ratio. You are required to pass the necessary journal entries to rectify the errors in accounting. This one we will pass here journal entry. Amar's capital account debit, Harsh's capital account debit to profit and loss adjustment account 90,000, 60,000, 1,50,000. Then interest on capital account debit to Amar's capital to Harsh's capital. This we provided here interest on capital. Next, profit and loss adjustment account debit to interest on capital 45,600. We transferred our interest on capital to profit and loss adjustment account. Now come to our next entry. Profit and loss adjustment account debit to Amar's capital to Harsh's capital 1,44,00, 62,640 and 41,760. Now we will make our working note calculation of opening capital. First of all, we will take here closing capital, then we will add drawing, then profit, then we will get our opening capital. Then we will charge our interest on capital on 1,30,000 and 2,50,000. This will come 15,600 for A and B 30,000. Thank you, students.